Welcome back, everyone. It's Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared for fourth grade, Module 3, Lesson 20 homework help. We're on page 133 and page 134 today. I don't know why this camera keeps messing up. I apologize. It's all I got right now, so it's what I'm going to use. All right, so we're doing quarts and pints and gallons. All right, so this is where you can make your life real easy if you ripped out and brought home what you should have. This page right here from inside your homework book, page 129. This chart right here shall help you tremendously. I will refer back into it in a minute, but this will help you a lot. All right, pull that away for a minute. So first we need to figure out how many pints are in 11 quarts. Okay, we have 7 quarts, 8 quarts, so we're probably going 9 quarts, 10 quarts, 11 quarts. We have 14 pints, 16. Yeah, this number's getting bigger, this number's getting bigger. So that's probably right. If you look on this, okay, quarts, pints, look over here, okay? This is that old, this is just fractions. Oh, okay, there's the folks. This is just fractions. That's all it is. I see I got quart here and pint here. We draw this line straight down. Look at this. It's helping us, okay? 1 gallon would be 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts, right? 1 gallon would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints. And 1 gallon would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cups. Got it? 1 gallon, 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups. That chart right there, all you need to know to figure this out. So if we go over here, we got the 7 and the 14. Well, how do we start that with? So we're doing quarts to pints. Quarts to pints, right? So we know it's 2 times 2. And look, 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. 11 times 2 is 22. We got our answer already, right? Nothing to worry about there. Except this camera, why it won't give me the right light. Light off, light on. I can't tell the difference. All right, so we want to go quarts to gallons. Oh, sorry, there are blank pints, 11 quarts, 22. All right, gallons to quarts. We got 2, 5, 6. So gallons, quarts. Pull the paper back out. Gallon, quart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarts gets you 1 gallon. So 4 QT equals 1 G. All right, for gallon. So just plug this in. How many gallons do we have? 2. So I'm going to say 4 QT times 2 G equals, so 4 times 2 equals what? All right, it's 4 quarts. So 2 gallons is 4 quarts. So if we look over here again, we have 1 gallon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if we had 2 of those, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know we got that right. Use this to help figure out the rest. Just keep changing your gallons. Pull out how many gallons you have, put it in there. That shall help you. Conversion, 3 pints and 1 cup equals how many cups? 3 pints, 1, 2, 3. All right. Remember, if you need to, use a pencil. Draw your line down. Count if you need to. But how many pints are in a cup? Sorry, how many cups are in a pint? I said that backwards. It didn't sound right. So I was looking. So how many cups are in a pint? Draw this line straight down. We have 2 cups and 1 pint. Okay. So we have 3 pints. So how many cups is that? Then add 1 more cup. Put the answer there. Same thing here. All right. This one is quarts to pints. So use the chart again. 2 pints and 1 quart. Figured out the same way. I hope you brought page 129 home. Like this can solve all your. It's so much easier if you brought it home, right? I hope you brought it home. If not, look here, draw it. Giving you time. Hit pause. Watch this 15 times if you need to. Use this to help you. All right, Miss Davis buys 4 gallons, 3 quarts of gasoline. How many quarts of gasoline does she buy? All right. Parents, I know we don't ever know how many quarts of gasoline we buy. I get that, but this is the problem. We got to figure it out because we're trying to figure out quarts. So figure out again how many quarts are in a gallon. Hello, 1 gallon. How many is this? Add that plus the quarts, and then I'll give you your answer on the back. Compare the number using the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. Explain how you know. 540,679 blank 540,679. Greater than, less than, equal to. Remember, if it's greater than or less than, draw the arrow where it eats the bigger number. I did this earlier. If you were in my 2nd grade class, this is how we think about it. This mouth here is always eating the bigger number. Unless they're the same, then we're putting that one out there. Okay? Oh, here we go. Divide 325 by 5. It doesn't tell you how to do it. Do it however you want. However you want. You want to draw 5 pizzas and try to figure it out? Go for it. I wouldn't do it that way. That seems crazy to me. That's a lot of extra work. Okay? If you want to break this down, that might be a good way to do it. If it's me, if I'm going to break it down, I know if this ends in a 5 and this ends in a 5, I know I'm good because it can go in there. So 5 and 5, we could break it that way. If you want to break this down to, let's just do expanded form. 300, 20, and 5. Okay, I should have, let me rearrange this. I know I'm not supposed to be helping on this one, but guess we're being nice today. 300 divided by 5 equals 20 divided by 5 equals. I know I'm sloppy. I really am trying to be better about it. I just go too fast. And then 5 divided by 5 equals. Okay, and then add these up and you'll have your answer. Right? Add it up, you'll have your answer. Can 5 go into 3? Nope. Can 5 go into 30? Yep. How many times? Figure it out. I feel like you guys should have this. As soon as I made this look like a 5 and not an S. Sorry, last name's short. Those S's just pop out every so often. All right, figure this one out. Here's another way to do it if you want to. Make your life a little easier. That said, this is Eureka Math Squared. Module 4. Sorry, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 20 homework. I'm Mr. Short. Like and subscribe, and have a